Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Windows 11, a supported Lenovo with a built-in fingerprint reader, and admin access. Once done, plug in power and update Windows to the latest build so drivers install cleanly. Now sign into your admin account and open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign in Options. Select Windows Hello Fingerprint and choose Setup. When prompted, click Get Started and follow on-screen prompts. Breathe. The device guides the initial capture. You will now do the detailed captures. When the wizard begins, place the same finger on the sensor repeatedly, lifting and resting slowly so the sensor maps edges and center. This improves reliability. Once that fingerprint is recorded, add angled placements when requested. Make sure each capture is deliberate. After a primary fingerprint, enroll a second finger for backup. Next, set a secure PIN when prompted. The PIN is required as a fallback and strengthens overall security. Finish by testing. Lock the screen and use the enrolled finger to sign in, making minor adjustments to pressure if needed. If the sensor fails, check Device Manager for biometric drivers and update or roll back drivers as necessary. Lenovo Vantage can deliver firmware and driver updates, so make sure it's current. If issues continue, remove all enrolled fingerprints and re-enroll them, cleaning the sensor gently first. One key troubleshooting tip. If enrollments repeatedly fail, boot Windows Update and install optional driver updates before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.